Hi, we're Upside Energy and we're a Firestarter Trailblazer. What we do is very simple. We pay people to not use energy. We can do that because the electricity grid is under stress. At peak times, it runs dangerously short of capacity. In order to meet demand, it turns on all its oldest, dirtiest, most expensive power stations. It'd be a lot cheaper and greener to pay people to not use energy at peak times. That's what we do. National Grid already does this for large commercial and industrial energy users. It pays them to not use energy at peak times. Upside opens up this market to everyone. We make these payments available to households and small businesses. We do that by coordinating energy stored in the batteries they already own. Things like uninterruptible power supplies, the systems that provide backup power for machine rooms, traffic lights, cell phone towers, and so on. Solar PV arrays. We create an incentive for people to install batteries along with their PV arrays. Electric vehicles. And eventually heat pumps, hot water systems, cooling systems, and so on. We run a cloud service that coordinates large fleets of such batteries, charging them up when demand for electricity is low, then running equipment from them when demand is high. This takes a bunch of clever algorithms. We're building a 4-layer architecture that monitors the state of the grid, predicts when it will be under stress, and hence coordinates our battery fleets accordingly. Some of these algorithms are proprietary, some are being developed through open innovation. This creates a virtual energy store that we can sell to the grid to help it balance supply and demand. National Grid pays handsomely for such services, as, in time, will the energy suppliers. We distribute 75% of these payments back to the original equipment owners. When will this happen? Upside was created for the Nesta Dynamic Demand Challenge in late 2013. In July 2014, we joined the EU Climate Kick Acceleration Programme. Innovate UK has offered us £500,000 to build a pilot of the service during 2015, and we plan to launch commercially in 2016. By 2025, we reckon we'll have 300 megawatt hours of energy storage in the UK. That's equivalent to a moderate-sized power station, and we'll have similar in other European, American, and Asian countries. Our end goal is to create an open platform that people can use to coordinate distributed energy storage and use it to reduce the environmental impact of the grid. Modelling by the National Physical Laboratory suggests Upside could eliminate over 7,000 tonnes of CO2 per annum from the UK's electricity grid. That's Upside. In effect, we're creating a new type of power station, probably the cheapest power station you could ever build.